Most people sign up for Walmart Plus thinking it will instantly save them money, then cancel it a few months later confused about whether it was actually worth it. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is judging it without understanding how it fits your shopping habits. Here's the truth no one tells you. Walmart Plus is not a one-size-fits-all subscription. For some people, it pays for itself in a week. For others, it quietly drains money every month without much benefit. In this video, you will learn exactly what Walmart Plus offers in 2026, who actually benefits from it, and how to quickly decide if it is worth it for you. Let's start with the basics. Walmart Plus is a membership program from the company Walmart. It is designed to compete with other retail subscription services by offering delivery perks, fuel discounts, and in-store benefits. Now here's where it gets interesting. The value of Walmart Plus depends heavily on how you shop, not just what it offers on paper. One of the biggest features is free delivery from stores with no order minimum in eligible areas. For someone like Sarah who orders groceries twice a week, this alone can save both time and delivery fees. But if you only shop once a month, that benefit becomes less powerful. Another major feature is fuel discounts at participating gas stations. In 2026, this is one of the most underrated parts of the membership. Drivers like Mike, who commute daily, can save a noticeable amount over time. But here's the problem. If you do not drive often or already use a cheaper fuel network, the savings may not justify the subscription cost. Now let's talk about scanning and saving money in store. Walmart Plus includes a feature that lets you scan items with your phone while shopping and check out without waiting in long lines. This is helpful in busy stores, but it only matters if you shop in physical stores regularly. There is also early access to deals and promotions. This is where things get a little tricky. Yes, you can get early access to sales, but not every deal is meaningful. For casual shoppers, this benefit feels minor. For bargain hunters, it can be a real advantage. Now, let's talk cost versus value. Walmart Plus is a paid subscription, and over a year, it adds up. So you need to ask a simple question. Do your savings from delivery, fuel, and time actually exceed the subscription cost? If the answer is no, then it is not worth it. Here's a real-world example. A family like John's household that orders groceries weekly, fills up gas regularly, and uses delivery, often will likely save more than they spend. But a single person who shops occasionally might barely break even or lose money. Another important point is competition. Some users compare it to services like Amazon Prime, but they are not identical. Amazon Prime is more entertainment-focused, while Walmart Plus is strictly retail and grocery-focused. So comparing them directly can lead to wrong decisions. So how do you decide quickly? Ask yourself 3 questions. Do I shop at Walmart regularly? Do I use grocery delivery or fuel often? And do I value convenience over browsing deals manually? If most answers are yes, Walmart Plus is likely worth it. If most answers are no, then it is probably not necessary for your lifestyle. So here is the bottom line. Walmart Plus is powerful when used consistently, but weak when used occasionally. Its value depends entirely on your habits, not the subscription itself. The key takeaway is simple. Do not buy it for features you might use. Buy it only if you already live the lifestyle it supports. If this review helped you, like the video, comment how often you shop at Walmart, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns that help you avoid wasting money on subscriptions you do not need.